Hi, we're here in the shooting of Patayin sa Sindak si Baby Ruth.
Hi there.
And here are the cast. Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys.
Hi. Bonjour, bonjour.
Hi Beth. Beth is writing the script on the Manila paper. And she is the ghost. Like, did you mo sa concentrate ni patang English?
Boreal die. Alam mo yun. Kung ka lang fluorescent, yung mga abs kinaas.
Hoy! Naku ah! Sige,
Dili na ka mag, oh.
Videoan.
Hindi ka naman nag-jerjer din naman. Tagay ko t-shirt din.
Cast sa Patayin sa Sindak si Baby Ruth here in
nagkaon
Jollibee
pa, nagkaon.
having breakfast.
Nara.
They're eating chicken steak. This is Angel. Hello.
Baby Ruth Devil and Baby Ruth.
Yeah. My aunt in the movie. Mimi is the extra.
Abay ito. Actor. Lalaki ko lang siya. Anak.
Our cameraman. The killer.
Cameraman dyan.
Green.
Abay.
Mas bayo to, mas bayo!
Bakit yan?
Makatawag!
The best actress or the best goes to...
Best actress na, best
Oh, wait. Best actress pa. Si Angel. The best goes to... Ay, the best goes to...
Saan goes ba? Awarding ka.
The best goes ala.
Noel. Angel nag-work